There are plenty of grocery savings apps out there, but what about Fetch? Fetch is actually my favorite one, and this is not sponsored. I'll share as much as I can about the app and how much I've made so far. I'm Sean with Gym Class Finance. We talk about financial tools that everyone can understand. So if that sounds interesting to you, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps out the channel. So the Fetch Rewards app is a receipt app. You take your grocery store receipts, scan them, upload them, and then you get points that can be redeemed for gift cards. I was really just curious how long it takes to even make just like $10 just by scanning those grocery receipts. A few things you have to consider is that you do have to scan within 14 days of your purchase. You can also use this app with literally any other stores out there like Sam's, BJ's, Costco, Walmart, Target, even some local stores. You basically name it, you can use it. The thing I really love most about this app is that there is really no pre-clipping coupons. You just scan those receipts. There are some things that we'll look into where you can get extra points, but that's pretty much it. So here's what the app looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through and let you kind of see what I'm seeing on my screen. It does look like you need to clip coupon items or clip items, but you really don't. And so there are specific products that are going to earn you more points, but just remember you will get points no matter what you buy as well. Then once you earn points, you can redeem those points for the gift cards. And I'll just kind of let you take a look at some of those options for what you can get in regards to the gift cards. And essentially 1,000 points equals $1. So let's take a look at how much I've made from the Fetch app, and I'll just kind of walk you through it. You can see each year how it's broken down. And I haven't used the app super regularly, but I have, recorded it when I get a chance. I've been using it since 2019. And then I'll go ahead and share my lifetime referral earnings. So they run different offers where you can earn more points, sometimes as many as 4,000, 5,000 points, which is $4 or $5 every time you get a referral. And so that is a huge bonus. So if you do or are interested in signing up, I will leave my code on the screen here. Also put a link in the description. And so that helps me out. If you're interested in signing up, we both will get bonus points for that. And it is just a nice way to support the channel. So I will definitely leave that in the description. I really do like this app, as I've mentioned before. I'll even, show you how it works by scanning a receipt right now. It is simple. You just get that receipt, you scan it, it kind of runs its process, looks at where you bought things, what items you bought, so it knows how many points to give to you, and then you will get credited in your account. So it is pretty easy to use. It's pretty simple. It's one of the reasons why I like it, and it's something that you can do. You don't really even need to think about it. You just take your receipt at the end of shopping and scan it. So let me know what you think in the comments below of the app. Maybe you have a different experience. Maybe your experience is similar to mine. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Also, let me know if there are any other coupon apps out there, maybe that you want me to take a look at and kind of do a quick little review. I know this wasn't super in depth. Maybe I'll do that in the future, but I just wanted to introduce it, let you know that it actually does work. I've made a couple $100 from the app, and it's something that anyone can do. So I hope you appreciate that, and I hope you learned something or can take something from this video, and I will see you in the next video.